Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here, and I'm back sharing another DIY with you guys. Thank you all very much to my returning subscribers. I love and appreciate you, and if you're new to this channel, a big welcome to you. I hope you stick around. Go ahead and check out my channel and hit that subscribe button and join my family. I would really appreciate it. So guys, in today's video I decided to do some Scoppio fair balls. So it will be those spiky balls, and let me just go right ahead and show you guys all the items I'm using today. I will be using these bamboo sticks from Poundland. I've also got some cake pop sticks. I'll be cutting these in half as well, and I have got some foam balls, a marker, my wire cutter, and my trusty glue gun. I've also got some gold spray paint here because I will be spraying them gold. So guys, if you're interested in seeing this DIY, just keep watching and I'll go ahead and show you guys what I am doing. So I have marked and cut all my pieces that I'll be using. So these are for a smaller ball, and these are the bamboo sticks that I've cut to size. So next I'm just going to take one of my bamboo sticks, one of my skewers, and create holes in my foam ball where I will be inserting and gluing and inserting my cake pop sticks. So I've created all my holes. Now I'm going to go ahead and start inserting my sticks by applying a bit of glue on the end. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that all around. So guys, crazy thing happened. I am there going ahead and my cake pop sticks finished. You see, these are the things that happen sometimes when you do a DIY. So now I'm gonna have to get some more cake pop sticks. I have to continue this project another time, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my bamboo sticks, and I think I've got more than enough of those. So let's get into doing that one.